Gusto ko nang bumitaw. Gusto ko nang bumitaw. Gusto ko nang bumitaw. Bumitaw. Bitaw. Gusto ko nang bumitaw.
Ano sagot?
Mali na naman.
Gusto ko nang bumitaw. Fire, dancing to the fire. And you can let me know.
Iba yan, roar yan.
Roar ba yun?
Oo, roar.
Alam ko rin yung roar.
Paano yan?
Roar, patawa.
Iba yun. Iba yan?
Yung ano, maybe this time.
Oo. She's back in his life, and it feels so bright. Maybe this time, love won't end.
Mali!
Mali na naman.
She's back in his life, and it feels so right, honey. My love, so sweet.
Ayun pala yun. Diyos ko.
Yung ano yung please don't let this feeling end. It's everything I am, everything I wanna be. I can see what's mine now, finding out what's the wrong. Kaya sana'y paliwanag ang pag-ibig kong ito. And now, mali!
Ano ba yan? Ikaw din nagmali.
Ayan si Madam,
Oo.
kamukha ni Elsa sa Frozen. Yung time you let it go.
Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me
Dapat naglalakad ka dyan. There's no close find the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. Sa mainit na siyudad, sa bansa ng Arabiano, na nagkasakit. Oh, nagila nila!
Ano ba yan?
Let it go, let it go. Speaking words of wisdom, let it go. Yan.
Let it be. Yun ano ka ba?
Alam ko yung let it be.
Ito ba?
Let it be, let it be, let it be. Oh, let it be. Ang susunod ng letter. Okay. Ito rin natin. Let us see, let us see, let us see, oh let us see. Ang susunod ng letter. Ang galing!
Ang galing nila, no?
Tapusin natin hanggang Z.
Yes! Go!
Si Kuya nag-google pa.
Diyos ko.
Sabi niya next to C.
Di alam. Diyos ko.
Oh, sige. Sabi ko nga kanina,